Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are resonating with the readings and you all are liking the guidance which I am giving. Do share the channel, subscribe the channel, like the video and click the bell icon so that you will know whenever I go live or whenever I bring in comments. Again, card of the day, go with card 1 or card 2. I shall give you all a couple of seconds to decide on which card is the guidance for you today. Okay, so let's go with card 1 now. Lilac, a beautiful color. It says strengthen your faith. Now when I say strengthen your faith, maybe that you have been wanting some things to happen but that is not happening, and you feel there are patterns which are again and again coming, and today also some pattern is repeated. Don't bother yourself over that. Just strengthen your faith and just surrender it to the divine. Say, I dedicate and surrender my faith to the divine, and I know the divine will help me in achieving what I want. And I'm sure the divine is going to bless you. Also, today you can wear something, if you have something in this lilac color or in purple color, because I feel that is the color for you. And moreover, if there's something which you feel you want to free yourself from, then today is the day to free yourself from barriers and make yourself happy. And I'm sure the day is going to be a beautiful and a pleasant day, and you're going to enjoy the day. Let's see what is the affirmation that's coming. I call on my spiritual running buddies. I think all that is just this 21 times. I call on my spiritual running buddies for help, and I'm sure the divine is going to help you today to make you come out of all that is troubling you, and also to give you the clarity that you're looking for. So now let's go to card 2. So this card comes for those who need to protect themselves. So it is a card of protect yourself, but the card doesn't speak of something which you need to worry about actually. Actually, I remember when I see the word azure, I remember the crystal azurite, because it actually cleanses your aura and it makes you protected. So maybe today what you can do is just create a protection circle around you. Maybe look at this color. Okay, I'm showing you this aqua color, not the down one where 36 is written, but this color. And imagine this color is just protecting your aura and covering your aura with this beautiful color, and you're protected. Nothing will go wrong basically, but yes, maybe some truth will come to you where you will feel hurt, or you will feel stressed out, or something will come up in front where you feel that you need the strength to regain and face the thing which has happened. But whatever comes will be for your good, and nothing is going to go wrong, or nothing is going to make you feel that why did I face this. That's the best thing. Okay, now see here, and that is how I always say I love cards, because see the affirmation that has come for you. I choose to reinterpret my fears with a more loving perspective. So for you all, if you can wear a color white today, I don't want you to wear blue, maybe a color white, and if you say this 21 times and start your day, I'm sure your day is going to be beautiful and you're going to have a blessed day. Happy day to all of you.